Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your computing class. In today's class, we will be learning something very interesting that we haven't learned so far. So, what we are basically doing through all of these weeks, through from previous 3 weeks, let's say. So, can somebody summarize us for that? Yes. Wonderful. We are working on Scratch. Yes. Okay. What else? And what we have done on the Scratch? Yes, we have talked about what is a sprite. Okay. Then sprite is basically a picture on the Scratch, right? Okay. Then we have learned that how we can change the sprite, right? And we have a huge list. There are multiple options through which we can change that sprite. There are a lot of pictures. We can choose any picture from there. There are a lot of characters over there. There are musical instruments. There are pictures from fantasies. There are pictures of sports. There are pictures from food. So we have a lot of that, right? And we can choose anything. Similarly, if you do not like any of that, you can upload something from your computer. And if not that as well, you can take your personal picture, like a selfie, and then you can upload that as well. How interesting, right? Okay, and we have learned this all. Now, what we are going to do today is that, okay, what else? Yes, not this much. What else we have learned on the Scratch? That what are the blocks? Wonderful, Elise. And drag and drop game, wonderful. That how to move one block from into the center of the page and how we can join them, right? We have learned that as well. What else? We have learned that how we can move the sprite as well, right? Okay, so now in today's class what we'll be learning, it's a different topic. We will learn about the motion of the sprite and the sound. We will do two things together, right? So I'm going to share the screen with you and I want all of you to open the Scratch on your devices as well so that we can do the work together. Okay, so I'm using the browser Google. You whatever the browser you have, you can open it and then open the Scratch page. So over here I have opened the program. Okay, so who is going to identify this sprite for us? What is the sprite on this page? This lovely yellow cat, right? Okay, how can we change it? How can we change the sprite? When we click on this, the cat's face, different sprites open for us. And whatever the sprite we want, we can just click on that. Let's say I love these different color balloons. So I'll just click on this and see over here we have this sprite as well. And now if I don't want this cat to be here anymore, if I don't want these balloons to be here anymore, I'll just click on the delete one and they will disappear, right? So this is how we change the sprite. This is how we add the multiple sprites and this is how we work with them. Now, what is the today's topic? Today's topic is we will learn about the actions and sounds of that, right? Now, what we are supposed to do, what we will do, we will click on this motion block. The motion one is already open for us. On this, we have to find where is go to random positions. It is on fourth number. We will drag this block into the center of the page, right? Now what we are supposed to do, we will click on the sprite. We will click on this. See, it is moving to the random position. It's working. Wonderful. Okay. Now the second one is we will click on the sound one. From here, we will find the block on which it is written play sound. Where it is? On the first number. We will drag this, bring it over here. When the grayish part will come, we will leave it and they're together. Now click on this. Wow. See, now it's doing the two functions together. How? That it is moving to the random positions and it is playing the sound as well. See? Now, if I click on the play sound or go to, the two functions are doing together, right? This is how two functions are. And similarly, we can do a lot in others as well. And we will slowly, gradually, we will learn that what are other blocks, what do they do, what if we click on that, right? So we will together learn all of it. But for today, because it's new, so we will do a little work on everyday basis, right? So now all of you have opened the Scratch. Okay, wonderful. Now I want you to find these two blocks on your page. Bring them into the center over here, make join them, and then see is the same is happening in your scratch as well, or is there something different? Hurry up. Okay, let me stop sharing. Okay, if somebody is having any confusion, any difficulty, you can just share your screen with me and show it to me that what is wrong with you. Okay, hurry up, do it. All of you are working. Any confusion? Okay, good. What a brilliant class I have. All of you are done. Vasi, are you done? Okay, good. What about you, Sarah? Wonderful. Yes, Amna? Excellent. Okay, that was all for today. What we have learned about the action and sound of the sprites, right? So do practice it at your home and let me know if you have any confusion. Share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.